Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. Today sharing how to make fluffy, crispy, healthy beetroot paneer paratha that's nutritiously dense with iron, calcium and protein. And it's a staple food to include in your diet as it's not only healthy but also very tasty. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. So here I have taken 2 medium-sized beetroot. Peel and chop them into cube-sized pieces. Now add them to a blender to make smooth puree. Also add an inch-sized ginger as it will give nice flavor and aroma to the parathas. Then to this we are going to add green chilli. You may add more or less as per your taste. Now blend them into a fine puree as you can see. Now we proceed with the stuffing. So here I have taken 500 grams of paneer. I am going to use only half of it. It's around 250 grams. Stuffing you may add more or less. It's completely your choice. Now grate the paneer as shown. Now to this grated paneer we are going to add salt as per taste. Here I have added half teaspoon. Then add half a teaspoon of cumin or zira powder, a pinch of garam masala and half to 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. Then add half a teaspoon of ajwain, that's Carom Seeds. Crush and add. It's good for digestion. Now mix all well. While mixing, you may crumble the paneer into tiny pieces as shown. Yummy filling for paratha is ready. Now keep this aside as we prepare the dough. So here I have taken wheat flour, that's around 3 glasses of flour. Add salt as required and mix well. Now to this we are going to add the beetroot puree and combine well. Gradually keep adding the puree and knead the dough. Mix everything well and continue to knead to form a soft, smooth, non-sticky dough. The beetroot paste itself will be sufficient for kneading, so try avoiding adding excess water. You may sprinkle little water if you feel the dough is hard and continue to knead it well to form smooth dough. In my channel, I have shared several recipes on how to make rotis, parathas, fulkas using different flours. And also have shared how you can make and freeze these rotis or parathas and use whenever required. We'll share the link in the description. You may have a look as it's very useful and time-saving video. So do check. Moving ahead, as you can see, the dough is ready now. Add little oil, around 1 to 2 teaspoons and knead for a few seconds, as this will help in retaining the moisture and also will make the paratha soft and fluffy while it's cooked, which we will see soon. Now allow the dough to rest for around 15 to 20 minutes. It's well rested. Knead and then divide it into portion. As you can see here. Now roll and then portion it. It's a beginner tip to get equal size of parathas. Now make ball shape to all the portions. Now let's proceed in rolling them. And the stuffing ready on the other side. Take a portion, roll, press and dust the dough in the flour and then start to roll. Now roll the dough as thin or thick you prefer. I prefer thin circular shape, so roll it as we roll rotis or chapatis. The sweetness that comes from the beetroot and the stuffing which you're going to fill in, once it's cooked, this paratha is going to be extremely delicious. And if you have little ones at home, they'll thoroughly enjoy it. You see, it's flattened well. Now spread the paneer mixture evenly over it. Now fold the parathas into square shape as shown. In this way, the parathas won't break while rolling or cooking, as stuffing won't come out, resulting into fluffy parathas. Do try this way and I'm sure you will be happy with this tip. Now dust some flour. Press and gently roll the parathas as shown. Here I am keeping square shapes as my son loves it and he calls it red paratha. It's a great idea to make such healthy parathas and give it to your kids, as they get the essential nutrients while having this paratha, as it's nutritiously dense with iron and calcium. It's a perfect paratha to pack for lunch for both adults and kids, as it's not only healthy but also very tasty. See how perfectly it's rolled and the stuffing is intact. Now heat up a skillet or tawa and place the paratha over it. Allow the base to cook partially for few seconds and then flip the paratha. Now add few drops of desi ghee and spread it all over. Flip again and gently press and smear few drops of desi ghee on the other side too. This way the parathas will get evenly cooked on all sides, and once you see the brown spots, as you can see here, means the paratha is ready. And you can also see it turns fluffy and crispy on both the sides. If you follow these simple steps, your paratha will turn fluffy and crispy from outside and soft and tasty from inside. See how delicious this looks? Now continue with the rest. And you can see how nicely it puffs up. Do try this recipe and I'm sure you'll truly love it. And also share among your family and friends. Enjoy this paratha with your favorite sauce, chutney or yogurt. Now let me show you how perfectly it's cooked inside. You can see the paneer stuffing in there. It's really yummy and very tasty. So do try, and we'll see you soon with another healthy and tasty recipe. And don't forget to click the link shared in the description box for many more healthy, useful videos. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye-bye.